Hi guys, it's Mrs. Reeser and I'm super excited this week for writing because you're doing an informational text. So you're going to write a nonfiction text about the butterfly cycle and you're going to do some researching. Your research paper is going to look like this. And as I'm reading this book, it would be a really great time for you to stop and jot any facts that you're learning about the butterfly cycle to help you better write your informational text. So I'm going to read to you the butterfly life cycle. And then when we're done, I'm going to talk about where you can go to do some more research to learn more about the butterfly cycle for your book. So the butterfly cycle. Some words you will need to know is butterfly, caterpillar, life cycle, mate, pupa, and stages. This is the table of contents. The table of contents is where you can go to find out where the life cycle is to read all of it. So that would be on page 4. Or this heading right here, our chapter title, The Adult Butterfly. You can go to page 11. That's what's great about nonfiction is that you can at any time read anywhere in the book. Unlike fiction where you have to start from the beginning to the end for it to make sense. If I wanted to know about an egg, I'd go to page 5. Sorry guys, it was taking a second to load. We're gonna go back to the beginning. Computer was glitching, so thank you. So there's the table of contents. And let's begin with the life cycle. A monarch butterfly has 4 stages in its life. So we can look at the life cycle. It starts as an egg, it grows into a caterpillar, it grows into a pupa, and it looks like it's in its cocoon, and then it becomes an adult butterfly. This would be a good time to stop and jot this diagram. This lets you know that this is the life cycle. So you're going to be talking about 4 different stages. The egg. Right here's a caption. This lets you know what this picture is all about. So we'll come back to this caption after I finish reading this page. A female monarch butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. A caterpillar grows inside the tiny egg. The egg hatches in 3 to 12 days. That's really awesome. I did not know it takes that long for it to hatch. Right here's a picture, and we're going to read this caption right here letting us know what this picture is about. A young caterpillar hatches from its egg. A female monarch butterfly usually only lays 1 egg on a leaf. Right, here's a bold print word. The hungry caterpillar eats all the time. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Then the caterpillar eats the leaf it is on. So it eats its own shell. Let's read this caption right here. The young caterpillar eats its own shell. If there are 2 eggs on a leaf, the caterpillar will eat the other egg first. The caterpillar grows quickly. Its skin does not grow. The caterpillar's skin splits and peels away. Here's that caption again. The caterpillar puts down sticky silk. The silk keeps the old skin in place while the caterpillar wiggles out of it. The caterpillar's bright black and yellow colors warn animals that they will get sick if they eat it. New skin is under the old skin. The caterpillar sheds its skin 4 to 6 times. The caterpillar grows for 2 to 4 weeks. This is really cool. Right here, this is a do you know, or you might call it a fun fact. This is another text feature that you see in nonfiction text. So do you know, monarch caterpillars only eat the leaves of the milkweed plant. I did not know that. Pupa. When the caterpillar is grown and hangs from a branch, it sheds its skin one last time. The new skin is bright green. So back to that caption. The caterpillar's skin splits down its back like a zipper. So right here, if you were writing a page on the pupa, you could actually, in your research, you could stop and jot this diagram, this illustration of how the caterpillar hangs from the branch and it sheds its skin one last time. The green skin becomes hard. The caterpillar is now a pupa. It will stay inside its shell for 1 to 2 weeks. The green pupa looks like a leaf. This color hides it from other animals. Adult butterfly. Don't forget, that's the heading, that's the chapter title right there. The pupa comes out of its shell. It is now a butterfly. Its wings are wet. The butterfly breathes in air to make its body bigger. Then the shell splits so the butterfly can climb out. The new butterfly rests. The butterfly must take upside down or it will not be able to fly. That's kind of cool. I did not know that. While the butterfly hangs, it pushes liquid into its wings to make them unfold. Most monarch butterflies are about 4 inches from the tip to tip. The butterfly hangs for 3 to 4 hours. The sun and air dry its wings. Then the butterfly is able to fly. It flies off to eat. It also searches for a mate. Monarch butterflies drink nectar, a sweet liquid made by plants. They sip nectar with a long tongue shaped like a tube. A monarch butterfly may only live for 2 to 6 weeks. The female monarch lays her eggs. The butterfly life cycle starts all over again. A female monarch butterfly may lay 400 to 500 eggs in her lifetime. That's crazy that they only live 2 to 6 weeks. They do so much work to only live 2 to 6 weeks. Well, now we finished the book. So those bold print words are right here in the glossary. So if you ever find a bold print word and you're reading a nonfiction book and you don't know what it means, you can jump all the way to the glossary in the back, and you can see that butterfly is right here, and it'll tell you the definition. So this is the word, and here's the definition, what it means. An insect with 4 wings that are bright in color. Or if you didn't know what a pupa was, you can go right here and read the definition. A young insect before it becomes an adult. And it's kind of cool because it lets you know it's on page 10. All right, that's the end of our read aloud. I look forward to you guys reading your informational text on the butterfly life cycle. You can also go to the proto page and go under research, and there's a lot of great links to websites where you can learn more about the butterfly cycle. Check out my video on going over what text features are and going over the writing piece. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.